The evaporation mystery. Welcome to the most groundbreaking discovery since your popsicle melted. Behold! 2 cups, one full of water, one bravely empty. Did a thirsty ghost drink it? The crowd chuckles. No ghosts, this is evaporation, plain and simple. Heat energizes water molecules, they bounce away as vapor. The crowd leans in with a unified, amazed, ooh. This tiny trick powers the water cycle you see every day. Clouds form, rain falls, and puddles fade after storms. Let's test it. 2 cups, sun and shade, simple and fun. Cover 1 cup with plastic wrap. Watch levels change. So, if your juice shrinks, don't blame your sibling, blame evaporation. Stay curious, stay messy, and keep experimenting.